You're gonna love the 2022 Chevrolet Blazer. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make the drive in comfort and sporty style in this well-equipped Blazer. Fresh, modern lines, crisp steering, a composed ride, and plenty of passenger and cargo space bring a new sense of enjoyment to all your excursions. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, lane departure warning, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power liftgate, backup camera, alarm. Don't miss the chance to drive this sporty Blazer. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.